Hello everyone, this is Paushta Fashion Workshop. Today I continue showing you the dresses I have in my wardrobe. I've already showed you a review of these two dresses. They were made of the blend chiffon silk. We are also going to make a course on how to make such amazing dresses. This is a long, flared chiffon dress. In the course, I'm going to show you the making of this dress very thoroughly. My courses are always very detailed. I show you more details than in my everyday videos. I also had a similar black dress. I don't wear it anymore. It was very old and it didn't look good. I've thrown it away. Let's have a look at this dress. I know that it doesn't look that good, but I love it. The only reason for it not to look good is that I wear it very often. I'm not giving up on it. I love wearing it on top of the dark blue trousers with the dark shoes and the light top. Have a look at my shirt dress. I don't wear it anymore, but I love it. I am absolutely in love with it. Every time I put it on, the people can't take their eyes off of me. It's not hard to look good. This is a cotton dress. What can be more simple than a cotton dress of a perfect fit? Have a look at the print in the skirt. It allowed me wearing this dress with the shoes of different colors. Notice that the dress looks good even with this pair of shoes. I don't know why I stopped wearing it. I love it. Let's have a look at the next group of dresses. I have 4 linen dresses and a cotton one. Have a look at this dress. I've already showed it to you. What is interesting about it? An unusual collar, a button stand, the draping. The dress is very comfortable. These are the only 2 cotton dresses here. 4 chiffon dresses, the cocktail dresses, the evening dresses. Let's have a look at the next group, the linen dresses. Do you remember this one? I've showed you the detailed video on its making. I showed you how to make a pattern for it, how to make a mock-up, how to stitch some of the details. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. This design is perfect for those who want to hide their bellies. This detail is inserted on one side, and it covers the lower part of the belly. There is kind of a collar here. It goes to the back. The dress is asymmetric. This is how the dress looks like from the front and from the back. I love this dress, and I have no intentions on stopping wearing it. This was the first linen dress. This is also a linen dress. The fabric has silky structure. Have a close look at the necklace. Its color matches the color of the dress perfectly. I think that the colors are very beautiful. As I've already said, this is a linen dress. The fabric has also silky structure. The lining is made of cambric. I have several linen dresses. 1, 2, 3. I've already showed you this one. I think that you've also seen me wearing this dress, even though I haven't given you a review of it yet. This dress was made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. The lace was also made of linen. It's handmade. The sleeves are pretty wide due to the fact that there are the pleats in them. There are also the white cuffs here. We used a lot of lace for decorating this dress. The linen is very thin and light. This is why it's lined. Notice that it's even seen through. These are my 4 linen dresses. I've already showed you this shirt dress. I even showed you how to make it. This is a tunic dress. It's a very simple design. I showed you how to make it. I love wearing it when going on a vacation. My daughter jokes that I can be mistaken for a duck wearing this dress. It's made of silk, by the way. Such design is suitable only for the vacation clothes. It wouldn't be convenient to work in a dress with such sleeves. Have a look at this dress. I know that it looks simple from the first sight. Anyway, it's made of the embroidered silk. The dress is lined with cambric. There are slits here on the shoulders. They go to the sleeves. There are also bows here on the shoulders. Have a look at this group of dresses. These are my vacation dresses. They're perfect for going to the seaside or to a country house. 3 vacation dresses, 4 linen dresses, 2 cotton dresses, 3 chiffon dresses, a couple of cocktail dresses, 3 evening dresses, a jumpsuit, and a winter group of dresses. Today I've showed you all of my dresses. I not only showed them to you, but also told you about each of them. I want you to understand that I don't like having too many clothes in my wardrobe. I lose their count and forget about the half of them. I always think about my outfits in advance. Which dress to wear, which shoes to combine it with, which bag to choose, which accessories to choose, and so on. I understand that some people work in offices which require wearing single-colored clothes or classic colors. I can wear anything I want. I work in my own fashion house. There is no dress code here. I can't even imagine somebody telling me what to wear. One of my customers really love deep necklines and bright colors. We made a lot of interesting clothes for her. She also has amazing curly red hair. She's very beautiful. She always looks gorgeous. I remember her coming to my fashion house once looking very sad. When I asked her what was wrong, she said that the board at the company she was working in decided to introduce a dress code. She was told to wear black skirts, white shirts, and a ponytail. You can't even imagine how sad it made her. I would have also been sad if I was her. I do realize that some of you have to wear the single-colored clothes. They do not necessarily have to be boring. Sew such dresses, for example. This design is perfect for summer. It doesn't necessarily have to be black. You can make it of any color you like: dark blue, cherry, beige. You can make just 1 flounce instead of 2. I want you to understand that you do not necessarily have to have a lot of different clothes. It's not necessary. If you make a new dress once in each 2 weeks, you will have the same wardrobe in a year. I am going to make a couple of new dresses for spring and summer. If I decide that I don't need some of the clothes I have, I'll just give them away to somebody. I get tired of having too many clothes. Staking the piles of clothes is not for me. I also have several skirts: woolen, cotton ones. I'm wearing a woolen skirt now. I also have a couple of silk skirts and a couple of lace skirts. Most of my skirts are the same length, like this one. This is my perfect length and the perfect design. If I want to wear a long skirt, I'll put a dress on. I think that the white shirts can also make our lives much better. A white shirt put on together with a skirt and a trench coat can make you look and feel amazing. You do not necessarily have to buy or sew a lot of clothes to look good. Don't waste money. I gave a review of all dresses I have in my wardrobe. People think that I have a lot of them, but it's not true. I gave you some recommendations on creating your wardrobes. As I've already said, you can make more single-color dresses of the classic colors. I don't need to do it. That's all for today. I had to prepare for shooting this video. I washed the dresses, brought them all to the studio, ironed them, made sure that they look good. It took me some time to do it. My name is Paukšte Irina. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.